Are you tired of feeling tired? Do you want to have more energy, feel better, and live longer? In today's fast-paced world, with technology and the internet demanding our attention, it's easy to neglect our health. But did you know that with just a few small changes you can live a longer, healthier life? That's right. Studies show that those who adopt 5 key habits: eating healthy, exercising, maintaining a healthy weight, limiting alcohol, and not smoking, live more than a decade extra. Let's start with food. Forget processed foods and sugary soft drinks. Your new mantra is real food. Fill your plate with fruits and vegetables, choose whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, and opt for lean proteins like fish, chicken, and beans. Control portions, and remember to stay hydrated with plenty of water. If you are concerned about not getting all of your vitamins, consult a professional about supplements. Do you have trouble getting organized? Plan your meals. Follow the plate method: 50% vegetables, 25% protein, 25% whole grains, and a piece of fruit. Cook at home to control ingredients and prepare healthy snacks like fruit or nuts to avoid cravings. I'll leave you an example of a menu in the description. It's time to get your body moving. Exercise not only helps you maintain a healthy weight, it also improves your heart, your mood, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. There are many types of exercise: cardio for your heart, weights for your muscles, yoga for your balance and flexibility. Find what you like. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity a week, plus 2 days of strength training. Plus, exercise improves your self-esteem, your sleep, and reduces stress. No excuses. Getting a good night's sleep is just as important as eating well and exercising. During sleep, your body repairs itself, your brain processes information, and you eliminate toxins. Try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and make sure your bedroom is dark and quiet. What about stress? Chronic stress can affect your mental and physical health. Practice meditation, exercise, spend time in nature, connect with friends and family, and learn to manage your time. You can do it. Staying motivated is key. Start with small, realistic goals, find a workout buddy, choose activities and foods you enjoy, celebrate your accomplishments, and don't give up when you fail. Focus on one change at a time. For example, improve your diet first and then incorporate exercise. Think about Sarah, who struggled with her weight for years. She started with small changes to her diet and then joined a gym. Over time, those small changes led to significant weight loss and better health. You can do it too. Reduce sitting and screen time. Go for walks, enjoy nature, limit alcohol, don't smoke, and consider taking a multivitamin if necessary. Make healthy choices easier by removing temptations from your home and advocating for change in your community. Create a personalized plan that fits your needs. Assess your current lifestyle, set SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Identify your needs, develop a detailed plan, schedule your activities, and monitor your progress. And remember that you can seek support from a friend or family member. Making changes for a healthier life is a journey that requires commitment, but the benefits are huge. Start today, take small steps, and gradually build towards a healthier and happier future. Don't wait any longer, you have the power to transform your life. Ready to get started? Yes, I have answered your question. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any video. Your help allows us to reach more people. If you have any questions or would like to make a query, you can leave a comment and we will gladly respond. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.